Good morning. Today I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'll be doing saltfish fritters. Here I have some flour, some saltfish that I washed and picked already. I have some ketchup powder. I'm going to add that in there for some color. My salt, black pepper, and water. So I'm going to add a little salt to the flour and the black pepper. I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients. And now I'm going to add some water. So now I'll be adding the saltfish. So this is what it looks like when it's done mixing. Tell me what you think about my recipe in the comment section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. The pot is on the fire. It's heating. So when the oil is hot, I'll add the mixture in there. I'm going to use a spoon to add the mixture to the oil because I'm using one hand to hold the camera. So I'm going to let it fry on one side until golden, and then I'll flip it over and repeat that process and take it out. I'm going to turn the fritters over now.